Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Belkys Barrios and this channel is about sharing fitness educational content by sharing tips, tricks and ideas that will help you to build a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. And if you like this kind of content, be free please to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified every time that I post a new video on this platform that is normally every week. And today's mission of this video is to tell you what are the things that you should not do if you're trying to lose body fat. We now live in the era that we have a lot of information 24/7. We have social media that is telling us many tips, but most of those tips are not sustainable for us. They can cause a long-term damage to your body. So that's why I have decided to make this video to give you 3 things that you should not do if you're trying to lose weight. If you are interested, stay tuned to more and let's get into it. Before getting to the video, I want to give you a small disclaimer. I am not a registered dietitian. I am not a dietitian, but I am a wellness coach, and as well I'm going to become soon a personal trainer. So all that information that I'm sharing here is based on my knowledge that I've been acquired by the years and also my own personal experience. So just to make it clear, I am not a dietitian. So saying this small disclaimer, let's get into that information. The first thing that you should avoid is consume lower calories. And this is a method that I've been seeing around in social media, especially among young women, that they think by consuming lower calories, they will achieve to burn more fat. And that's totally wrong. Let me tell you this. By you consuming lower calories, what you're going to put your body into a stress, especially your metabolism, and instead of achieving to burn more calories, you will burn less calories. As for example, we have Maria. Maria needs around 1,300 to 1,400 calories to be able to function, to be able to her organs function properly, to make digestion, to think, to breathe, to the heartbeat, just to do all the basic functions that your body needs. Maria is spending 1,400 calories. What about if Maria start cutting those calories and not consuming the enough calories that his body needs to be able to function properly? So because your body is going to that stress, the hormonal imbalances are start occurring. In the long run, it will really damage your health. And then after getting to that point, you're going to start the process of catabolism. It's when your body start eating himself, start eating the muscle mass to be able to obtain the muscle mass, to be able to convert it to glucose and storage the body fat. So you're really messing up your system by lowering your calories to that extent. You, by restricting yourself so much, you will cause that your metabolism gets slower, that you will lose muscle mass, and you will get more flaccidity. I will put the word here. I don't know how you say that word in English. So you will get more of that. And then in the long run, it's not sustainable for you. And by causing that, all the things that I mentioned before, you will go into the yo-yo diet, that famous yo-yo diet that you lose and then you recover it more and then you increase more. So try to avoid that, because in the long run it's not sustainable for you. It's not only that, by lowering your calories, you're going to increase the stress hormone that is named cortisol. When the cortisol is high, then we're going to be having another problem. So you see all that consequence that can cause when you're not consuming enough food, or you're restricting yourself so much, your body will get into a big stress. And do you also know that normally these quick, fast diets, it just make you have this illusion that you're losing weight? Because do you know that for every 4 grams of carbs, it's absorbed 3 to 4 grams of water? That's mean that probably you're seeing in the balance that you are losing weight, but probably you're just losing water. You're just losing your water. So you're not losing weight and you're making a huge damage to yourself. So Don't try to find the fast cuts to able for you to lose weight, because in that you're not achieving your goals, because you're seeing in the balance, in the scale, sorry, you're seeing there that you are losing weight, but it's not weight, it's not body fat. You're losing just water, and that will keep you, that illusion will keep you in that very bad habit and continue and damaging yourself. That I have been repeating that a lot on this video. So please be careful for these low calories, these restricting diets, that in the end you're not going to achieve your goals and you're not going to stay with it in the long run, because it's not like that. So don't go through there. Please be careful with these shortcuts that you normally see on social medias, and we normally tend to take it because it's more easier for us. But do you will stay with it for the long run? Do you will keep it like that for a long run? Think about that before you choose that kind of diet. Now we're going to go to the next thing that you should not do, and it's zero carbs. And this is something that is very common in all women. And the first thing when we're going to the diet, we think we need to eliminate all carbs, and how wrong we are when we have that decision, because your body needs the 3 macronutrients: carbs, fats, and protein. Those 3 nutrients are essential for our body to function properly. So if you're limiting yourself with the carbs, what will happen is that your body will notice that, and what your body will decide, okay, I will take the protein and convert it to glucose and use the glucose for that to function properly. And then your body will not going to having enough protein. And by not having enough protein in your system, then you're going to be losing muscle mass. So you see that connotation that will happen if you're really not eating any carb. Also can affect your concentration, can get your metabolism very slow, and as well your mood, can affect your mood. So you can see that the carbs, all the macronutrients are essential for us to work very properly in your daily task. And you, by restricting that, you will really damage yourself in the long run. By following plans that are outside from your normal diet, that you are taking out macros, those kind of plans are destined to fail. Yes, you will be failing. Why? Because you will get bored, you will get stressed, and you will try to fill those gaps by binging. So then you will fail, and you will going to start that cycle one after another, and then you will damage yourself. The best way that you can lose body fat is by having the proper balanced meal plan with all your macronutrients on it in a proportionate according your goal, without eliminating them. And how I mentioned before, doing a low-calorie diet or 0 carbohydrates in your diet basically just give you the illusion that you're losing weight, but in the end you're just losing water. You're just losing water. So if you are seeing the scale and you're seeing that the number is going less, the number of the scale doesn't mean nothing. It can help. There are other variables on it to be able to really have an accurate number. But the way how you can see the results of your diet is by how the clothes is fitting you well. Take a picture of yourself, compare every 15 days or twice a month, or how you want it. Take a picture of yourself and then compare. You will see the changes in your face, in your waist, around the waist, in your mood. You will be having more energy. So those changes can be because of the proper diet and exercising. Okay, so that's the way how you can track your progress. It's not only about the scale. The scale can be relative, can be there are many factors there, but see other changes that will really motivate you to be able to continue a sustainable fat loss. The third one is over exercising, over training. And let me say this, if you are going to the gym and you're doing 1 hour, 45 minutes, 35 minutes of resistance training with weight, Then you're going to the spinning machine or to the walking machine and run for 35 minutes. And after that, you're going to go to a spinning class or a Zumba session and do 45 minutes there. Honey, you're doing too much. You are doing too much. Just because you exercise more doesn't mean you're going to burn calories more. Just because you are sweating, that I think that most of women think is because they are rubbing sweat, they think they are burning calories, and it's not like that. What you are doing is that you're putting yourself in a big risk for the big risk that can increase the chances of injuring yourself. You are really burning out your muscle mass and creating a harm to your creating a hormonal imbalance. So by you believing that because you are training more, you're doing more exercise, you will achieve to burn more calories, you are less than wrong. Exercise is our ally. Exercise should be our ally. By doing exercise, we're going to improve our body composition. We're going to burn more fat. We're going to get more flexible. We're going to protect our bones. We're going to get more resistant. There are many benefits that exercise has when it's doing in a controlled manner. Don't take things on the extremes. Don't go to the extremes. Find something that is between, something in the middle, balance. So when you take it to the extremes, now it gets bad. As for example, myself, I normally just do 35 or 45 minutes in resistance training. If you are looking for exercise that they are not so long, go back to my channel. I have several videos that can give you an idea how to put together your own workout session without spending hours in the gym. And 45 to 35 minutes are resistance training, and then my warm-up that is 5 minutes to 10 minutes, and that's all. The total amount of time that I normally spend in the gym is 1 hour. I don't spend more than 1 hour because after that it's pointless. I really give what I need to give, and you too. You just need to give what you need to give. And also you need to think about your schedule, your lifestyle, how you can put together your sessions according to your life so you can keep it in the long run. By thinking that you're going to be burning more calories because you're sweating or you're overdoing exercise, that will cause a big damage to your metabolism and your hormones, and probably it will be causing you not to lose the weight that you're looking for. So everything is with balance. Balance is super important for all of us. For you to have the results that you're looking for, you need to apply consistency, balance, because now we live that we want everything this fast. We want everything so fast. We want it now, we want it for now, and that's it, and no matter what. But you don't know that all the damage you're causing to your body, the stress, mental damage you're causing to yourself by wanting things so fast and not applying consistency and discipline. With consistency, discipline, and balance, you will achieve the goals you're looking for. When you're losing body fat, it's normal to take time. It's a process for a long run. Hi everybody, how are you? I'm so sorry, but I was editing the video, and the last clips from the video, the audio was super bad, so I cannot post that in this video. But I was just going to say something fast. I will wrap it up all together and say that be patient, be consistent, and you will see that you will achieve the results you're looking for. And by doing that, they will stay with you in the long run. I really wish that you enjoyed this video. Sorry for this small interruption. I hope you are all safe, stay safe, and stay healthy. And see you in the next channel, in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Hasta luego, familia. Cuídense.